Hi, Mrs. Romito here with another episode of Tips and Tricks with Mrs. Romito. Today we're going to talk about how to use the LMS, the Learning Management System, including worksheets, charts, and interactive pages. So, discussing worksheets, charts, and interactive pages, you need to remember that your assignment submissions are being checked for your understanding of the module contents. Most modules contain worksheets, charts, and/or interactive portions, and these are a great summary of the module contents. So therefore, you should be using them in your assignment submissions. So make sure that you review the assignment prompts and then check the prompt or the questions against any of the worksheets you've completed, charts in the module, or interactive sections that you've completed. Interactive sections can include fill in the blank, identifying parts, and putting things in order. Those are all things that you should be copying down and writing and using as your notes. And then make sure you use them in your assignment submission. Be sure, though, that you are paraphrasing and putting the information in your own words. Here are some of the human anatomy and physiology assignments where you should be using the learning management system. So learn from students in the past who maybe haven't. Once you know better, do better. And here's the list, or over here's the list, whichever. Good luck!